Good morning students. Today we are learning lesson 4.12 investigating the effectiveness of antacids. The objectives are: the first objective is to identify the need for acids in the stomach. Second objective is to describe the need for antacids. And the third objective is to suggest the effect of antacid remedies on the pH of stomach. First we are discussing about the acid in the stomach. The human stomach contains strong hydrochloric acid with a pH of approximately 1. That means the human stomach, it is producing an acid. The acid name is hydrochloric acid. And what about the pH of this acid? The pH of this acid is approximately 1. That means it is near to 1 or just above the 1. Because this value is almost near to the pH of 1. And it means this acid is a strong acid. pH 1 we already learned. pH 1 means it is a strong acid. Now we are discussing what is the role of this acid in the stomach. Why the hydrochloric acid is present in the stomach. The role of this acid in the stomach to enable the digestion of proteins. That means the main role of this strong hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to enable the digestion of proteins. That means to help the digestion of proteins. That is the main role of this hydrochloric acid. And there is one more role, to prevent many bacteria from surviving in the stomach. Sometimes inside the stomach there is some of the bacteria are surviving. So we have to kill this bacteria. We need hydrochloric acid in the stomach. That means this hydrochloric acid in the stomach that helps to prevent the bacteria to prevent the bacteria to live in the stomach. If the bacteria is living in the stomach means it will create various stomach digestion problems and stomach pain, etc. So these are the two role of acids in the stomach. Now we are discussing indigestion or heartburn. What it means. Sometimes the muscles leading from the esophagus to the stomach can open and the acid moves up along the digestive tract. That means that you already learned in the biology, and also the picture is given. There is esophagus, we can see the esophagus and stomach, it is connected. In between this esophagus and stomach there are some muscles. Due to the contraction of the muscles or the reflex actions of these muscles, some of the acids present in the stomach along with digestive tract, there is a possibility of moving it from stomach to the esophagus. Then after it goes to esophagus, a burning sensation is then felt in the chest and throat as the acid irritates the lining of the esophagus. This is called indigestion or heartburn. That means if this acid goes to the esophagus, that times there is the esophagus walls, that lining, it is we will get a chest or throat as the acid irritating, because acid, you know, it is a strong acid. So this acid goes to this esophagus, there is a burning sensation. This burning sensation, it is known as indigestion or heartburn. Why it is known as indigestion? Because most probably it is caused by the indigestion of the food. Sometimes the food is not digested properly, that time this acid is moves to the esophagus. So it is known as indigestion or heartburn. This burning sensation that we felt in the chest and throat. Usually we can feel it is in the chest and throat. Why we are feeling this chest and throat irritation or the heartburning because of the acid. Acid is strong acid. When it goes to this esophagus, we felt the throat and the chest burning sensation because this acid is irritating it. Now we are going to the next objective, the second objective, action of antacid on the indigestion or heartburning. What is the action of antacid on indigestion or heartburn? Indigestion or heartburn is due to the presence of acid in the stomach. That we already learned. The indigestion or heartburn, it is due to the presence of acid in the stomach. And if you want to get rid of this burning sensation or from the heart burning, we are using antacids. Why we are using antacids? Because these antacids are alkali or it contains alkaline substances. These alkaline substances, especially some examples are given here, that is magnesium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide. So when it reacts with this alkali, we know the salt and water is forming. That means the neutralization reaction taking place. The acid is neutralized by the alkali present in the antacids. So this is the main action of antacid on indigestion or heartburn. Then after we use this antacid, we will get rid of the pain or we will get rid of this heartburn or the burning sensation. Now we are discussing the last objective, that is before that we have to discuss about the main ingredients found in the heartburn remedies. So here the one of the antacid is given. What is the name of this antacid? Its trade name is Tum-Cam. Tum-Cam, it is a type of antacid. We will get it in the medical shops, pharmacies. And this contains, the ingredients are also listed there. That is calcium carbonate, there is magnesium hydroxide, there is gelling agent, there is water, there is peppermint flavoring, there is permitted sweetener and there is coloring. The permitted sweetener for if you are taking these antacids, we wanted to get the sweetener because the alkali is added, it is not good in taste. So it is bitter. We already learned the alkalis are bitter. That's why to prevent this bitter taste, they are adding some of the sweetness also. And for making it is attractive, they are adding the coloring also to this one. And we know when you take the antacid, it is just like a gel feeling we will get. So there is gelling agent and also water. But the main ingredient, that is the calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. So what is the role of these things in the heartburn remedies? That means they are alkalis and they will prevent the sensation by neutralizing. Now we are discussing what is the effect of antacid remedies on the pH of stomach. So what are the ingredients of the antacids that we already discussed, and we found that they contains magnesium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, etc. in it. This magnesium hydroxide, we know it is a strong alkali. Why we are using this strong alkalis? Because the acid present in our stomach is strong acid having pH of 1. So we have to use strong alkalis also. Then only the neutralization reaction will takes place. Otherwise the neutralization, it will not happen. But don't think always we are getting after using antacids, always we are getting the pH of 7, because sometimes after eating antacids also after taking antacid also we feel little burning sensation or heartburn, because sometimes it is reducing the pH, it is very near to 7, maybe it is 6 and 7, little acidity remains there. It depends on the acid that we are using. Various types of acids is available in the pharmacies, and these various type of antacids are available in the pharmacy. Depends upon the pH of this alkalis, the neutralization will be effective. Don't think it always should be 14. So the range, it is neutralizing it as 6 to 7. After taking antacid, we will get, that can be make our acidity as pH 6 to 7. In between 6 to 7 pH will be. That means it is little acidic only after taking antacid. Sometimes completely it can neutralize. So these are about the lesson. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you and have a nice day.